Hello all of you, welcome to AMP Physics Zone. So today we will see magnification by mirrors. So generally we think that magnification means how bigger is the thing, but in case of mirror and lens it is slightly different. It can be big or it can be small. So it measures how large or small an image is with respect to object. So when we compare image with object, means size of image with size of object, how bigger or smaller image is with respect to object, that we can say by magnification. So it is defined as ratio of height of image to height of object. Okay, this is the definition of magnification. Height of image upon height of object is magnification. When we use this definition, magnification is linear or transverse magnification. Other types of magnification are there, but you will see in higher standards. Okay, so linear transverse magnification means ratio of height of image to height of object. Mathematically we can write like this, h dash by h. That is by definition. Now we will see the derivation in terms of object distance and image distances. So this diagram you need to draw. Okay, here AB is object, A dash B dash is image. Okay, so A dash AB is H, A dash B dash is H dash. Now from pole, if we measure this distance of object, then it is called object distance U. And from pole, if we measure this distance of image, it is image distance V. Okay, so now we can consider two triangles. Two triangles we have to consider. One is this one, bigger, ABP, and second is this much, this one smaller, A dash B dash P. Okay, in both the triangles we can say that angle B and angle B dash are 90. So angle B and angle B dash are 90, and angle P in both the triangle is same because of law of reflection. Okay, incidence angle will be equal to angle of reflection. So this angle and this angle will be same because this is incident ray, this is reflected ray. Okay, so as two angles are same, so third angle will be automatically same. So these two triangles are similar according to AA theorem, or you can say AAA theorem. કારણ કે બે એંગલ સરખા હોય તો ત્રીજો એંગલ સરખો જ હોય. Now for similar triangles, this is the rule. Vertical side of one triangle divided by vertical side of another triangle will be equal to horizontal side of one triangle divided by horizontal side of another triangle. Okay, vertical અને base એમ કહો તોય ચાલે. Now AB divided by A dash B dash will be equal to PB divided by PB dash. Okay, now A dash B dash is nothing but H dash and AB is H. Okay, so AB is H, A dash B dash is H dash, PB, that is object distance, so it will be U, and PB dash, that is image distance, that will be V. So V will be negative because it is on left side, U will be negative because it is on left side, H dash will be negative because it is below the principal axis, and H will be positive. So we have to use sign convention while we use these values. So minus H dash, H, minus V, minus U. So one negative sign we can cancel. So this and this we can cancel. So one negative sign will persist. means remains. So h dash by h will be equal to minus v by u, that is equal to m. Denominator, if negative is in denominator, we can take for the whole term. So we have taken minus v by u. So this negative sign represent for both the term. Okay, it is not for single. Minus v by u, like that. So this formula you have to remember for magnification. Okay, this formula you need to remember for magnification. Now from value of magnification, so these are the rules. If m is positive, then image will be virtual. If m is negative, image will be real. If m is magnitude of m greater than 1, then enlarged image. Magnitude of m less than 1, diminished image. And equal to 1, size of image will be same as that of object. So now if I tell you minus 2 magnification is equal to minus 2, it means from negative sign we can say image is real, and as magnitude means negative sign we have to remove, so 2. So 2 is greater than 1, so image will be enlarged. So from this value we can say image will be real and enlarged. Okay, now suppose magnification is plus 0.5. Plus 0.5. So for as it is positive, so we can say image is virtual, and value is less than 1, so diminished. So from this value we can say image will be virtual and diminished. Okay, so in this video we will keep till this only.